take off in a plane and leave them in the cloudiest haze. Maybe take a look at the stars to remember just how pretty they are. Maybe take a photo or two and then I'll send them over to you. And I can see this route is planned right out for me, and now I know that when I see those planes I'm not alone. 'Cause all the linger time, those planes will soon be mine. But when I touch back down, those files turn to frowns. When life it gets too loud, reach up and touch the clouds and then glide back down. I have way too much to say, that's why I could be here all day. I could save us so much time if you just listen to what I say. Take me to the runway tonight so I can fly right into the light. Take me